Oh, hey guys, hold on, let me catch my breath. Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. I've got the torque converter pulled, and if you look right here, 730/20, so I'm assuming that's when this one was at least designed. It's not a factory. It doesn't have, I don't think it is, unless that FM stands for Ford Motor, but Ford Motor Company is usually FOMOCO. That's usually the abbreviation. I'm trying to see if there are any, oh yeah, I think I can see some. Hold on, I'm dumping it on the ground. Come on. Oh, there we go. But here's the name brand of it. Gonna have to read it upside down. It's Recon, R-E-C-O-N. I don't think there's anything else there. I think it just says Recon. But yeah, I could definitely see some metal shavings in the fluid. So I'm gonna let that keep draining. I've already got the new one. This one came out of Chicago. Total Transmission Chicago. They're waiting on me to return the core. That's why that says core return. This was the cheapest one I could find. And it is remanufactured, so it's not used. Some of the used ones were more expensive, but I mean, it appears to be identical. From what I could understand, because this is my first time changing a torque converter on a Super Duty, but supposedly you're able to use the same ones for 6.8 on a 7.3 because they're the 6 studs. So we'll see how that turns out. And it's got the flat ends on both ends here. So we'll see how that turns out. But yep, definitely metal shavings coming out of the torque converter. So that probably explains the issues I've been dealing with. And of course, like a Neanderthal, I got mad trying to take that one line off. The one line that everyone says that they break. I ended up breaking too. Where is it? There's the transmission. See how nasty that is in there? I'm going to try and clean that up before I put that back. But the torque converter was leaking as well. And so it slung out all that fluid all over the inside of the bell housing. And of course I live on gravel, so all that gravel got up in there and caked it up. But yeah, I ended up breaking the one line. There's the part of it there. But yeah, I ended up breaking the one line that everyone says you'll end up breaking when you change this out. So I guess I'm not any different than the rest of you guys. And I'm probably going to upgrade my starter, but for now it's working just fine. But I'd like to put the bigger starter on here so it'll start up faster. Oh man, let me get under here a little further. There's the flywheel. It looks alright. Teeth are in good condition, they're not fall down. And it does not appear to be warped. It doesn't seem to have any temperature, like extreme temperature burn. I can't remember what you call it, like a hue, where it turns like a bluish purple when it gets too hot. So I don't see anything like that, so it all seems fine. So yeah, and I got this done, and well, I got a little bit done earlier today, took a break, came back, finished it. So I mean, it's not that hard. My question is this supposed to come out like that? I mean, there we go. The 4R70W, which is on the truck behind me, which is a 4.6 liter single overhead cam, the input shaft doesn't come out like that. So that's why I was wondering, is that normal? But other than that, yeah, taking this transmission out is a lot easier than taking out the 4R70W. So the 4R100 is a lot easier to maintain and to maintenance on than a 4R70W, which probably is the 4R75W as well. But yeah. Anyway, I'll update you guys as soon as I get this put back together. But as always, thanks for watching. Later, Gators.